Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to get Civilization 6 free poggers. Let's get it. First things first, you're gonna be coming over to this website. I linked it in the Discord near you. You're gonna want to click on Magnet. You're gonna open up your torrent installation client. In my case, it's Deluge. It's gonna open up. You're gonna click Add. It's gonna install. It's gonna finish. You're gonna open the folder. You're gonna see it somewhere here. You click into it. This is what it's called. You're gonna click setup.exe. You're gonna see this. You're gonna click English. And click next. Yeah, you know how this works. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, next. Yeah, and then I already installed it. You're gonna click install, and then after it finishes, after it's installed on your computer, you're gonna be coming over to this. Oh no. What? So you're gonna be coming over to here. You're gonna get this file, Steam generic. Fix repair Steam generic v2. You don't even have to extract it. You can just click on it. Come here, extract to. You're gonna find wherever you installed your civ. You're gonna go open your civ. You're gonna go base, binaries, Win64 Steam. Click OK. Yes to all. You're good to go. The game starts. It's gonna be in Russian. You're gonna have to manually switch it to English. So you're probably gonna want to choose the bottommost language, which is gonna be Portuguese. But then you could decipher, get to English on your second restart or your third restart. It'll be on English after you do this method, and you're good to go. Civilization 6 updated, all DLC, Space War version.